everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Now let's take a look at this question, which says 24 minus 4 multiplied by 1 plus 2 square. This question looks tricky, but it's actually simple. Now, starting from the parenthesis angle, we have 1 plus 2 square gives us what? 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 24 minus 4, 20. 20 multiplied by 5 equals 100. Is this answer correct? No, this answer is wrong. This answer is wrong because the rules of mathematics called the order of operation was not carefully followed. Mathematicians have arrived at an order of operation that will make our final answer correct, and the order of operation is called PEMDAS. P-E-M-D-A-S. What is PEMDAS? P stands for parenthesis, that is any question in the brackets. E for exponent, that is any question that has a root above the initial number below it. M for multiplication, any question that has a multiplication sign. D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So PEMDAS is the order of operation that we must carefully follow in order to arrive at our correct answer. In PEMDAS, multiplication and division are equal, so the both of them are of the same priority. Likewise, addition and subtraction are equal, so the both of them are also of the same priority. Then in an expression, when you have multiplication and division together, you move from the left to the right depending on how the expression looks like. If division comes first, then you start from the division angle. If multiplication comes first, then you start from the multiplication angle to the division angle, depending on how the expression looks like. It also applies to addition and subtraction. If the both of them are together, you also move from the left to the right depending on the sign that comes first. So let's solve our question using the order of operations called PEMDAS. Our question says 24 minus 4 multiplied by, in parentheses, 1 plus 2 square. Do we have parentheses here? Yes, we have it here, and we have it as 1 plus 2 square. 1 plus 2 square, 2 square means what? 2 times 2, which gives us 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. The next is exponent. Do we have it here? No. Multiplication. Do we have it? Yes, we have a multiplication sign here. So our expression becomes 24 minus 4 multiplied by 5. The next is what? We have subtraction and multiplication sign here. So let's solve our multiplication signs. 4 multiplied by 5 will give us what? 20. So our expression becomes 24 minus 20. We are left with the subtraction sign. 24 minus 24 will give us 4. This is our correct and final answer using our order of operations called PEMDAS. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to your friends and loved ones, and don't forget to make your comment in the comment section.